Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Naomi, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a three-part series of how I blow dry, wash, and braid my hair. So this is going to be kind of like all over the place. So first video I'm starting off with today is how I blow dry my hair. I only use three things. First, obviously a heat protectant, and then I have this detangling brush, and then finally I use this straightening brush. It's not really a blow dryer because I feel like the blow dryer just gets too hot and difficult for me to use, and this is so much easier and does the exact same thing. So the only thing you have to do is just hold it right here to turn it on, and I get it all the way up to about 350 because I don't need it to be any higher than that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my hair. Alright, so I always start everything in sections. So I have a pretty small section here, and this is a TRESemmé Keratin Smooth heat protectant. I'm just going to start spraying it everywhere. More. So my hair's not like soaking wet, but it's definitely nicely coated with heat protectant. And then I'm just going to pre-detangle. Ready? All right. So actually I turned it on to, let's see, 365, and it's heating up really quickly. Okay, so I just hold the hair here at the ends, and I actually start at the top and I work my way down because I've already detangled. I'm probably gonna turn it down. So if I can feel the heat that high, I'm gonna put it on 325. And I don't want heat damage. I haven't had heat damage in years, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on there. Just to be safe. You can never be too safe with this stuff. Alright everybody, so I am back. And because it feels like 1,000,000,000 degrees, I kept having to straighten, especially like the roots, because it's just so hot. I love when my hair is blown out, but I can tell the difference. Like, this is short. There's no point of even like trying to deny it. Short, it's a little thin, so I'm probably gonna try some new methods. I might try the rice water method to see if it will thicken my hair. Also bought this hair growth oil from the beauty supply the other day, so I might try that out too, but like, whoa, it's too hot for this. So what I'm gonna do is just pull it up into this massive puff. So I'll see you guys in part 2 of this video. Make sure to stick around so you'll see next part is how I wash my braiding hair.